Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, and that is, how much money can I take out of my Revolut account? Now, before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of understanding your account limits. This is because knowing your limits can help you avoid any unexpected fees or charges. So, how much money can you take out of your Revolut account? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including your account type and your location. Account type. Revolut offers 3 different account types: Standard, Premium, and Metal. Each account type has its own set of withdrawal limits. Standard, up to £5,000 per day, £20,000 per month. Premium, up to £10,000 per day, £50,000 per month. Metal, up to £20,000 per day, £100,000 per month. Location. The amount of money you can withdraw from your Revolut account may also vary depending on your location. This is because Revolut has different partners and agreements in different countries. Additional factors. There are a few other factors that can affect your withdrawal limits, such as your account balance, your transaction history, your verification status. How to check your withdrawal limits. If you're not sure how much money you can withdraw from your Revolut account, you can check your account limits online or in the Revolut app. Tips for managing your withdrawal limits. If you're concerned about hitting your withdrawal limits, there are a few things you can do. Plan your withdrawals in advance. Consider using multiple accounts. Transfer money to another account if you need to make a large withdrawal. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on using Revolut.